All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And in this video, we're taking out the S650 Mustang GT. It's been a minute since I've actually made a video with this Mustang on the channel. Definitely have been driving it though, but putting a lot of miles in the car. I think we just passed 15,000 miles, which is kind of crazy. Not really, but let me know down in the comment section how many miles you guys have on your 2024, 2025 Mustang GT. So with all that being said, if you guys enjoy, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Let's get on the way. All right, let's get a good old cold start. Some of you guys requested that I do a cold start with the valves closed because we got the active exhaust. So we're gonna do that. It's actually pretty quiet, I'm not gonna lie. Even though this car does have a cat delete, H-pipe, and then obviously the active exhaust, the stock active exhaust. So let's try it again. All right. Okay, it did. They're closed, obviously. I don't know why I was doing that. But that's what it sounds like with the valves closed. I don't know why the car was tweaking out. How many miles I have on this oil? 2,000. So about 500 to go. Let me change it. Ready to E, gotta get some E85. I smell that E85 too. Why do I smell it more with the valves closed? What the heck? I hear my exhaust doing that rattle again, slightly. Slightly on startup. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Definitely not bad. All right, about to pull up to the little E station. Looks like it's not busy today. And get on with the day. I think I might need to go ahead and put some air in my front tires. And I don't know. I'll test it out when I get back to the house. Might need a little air. It's been like, I don't know, almost 2 months. Probably longer than that, to be honest with you. Definitely gotta check that out. Alright, yeah, I still hear that. I literally hear it like I hear the exhaust. I'm about this close to chopping it off, for real. Alright. Let's head out of here. We'll probably do a couple hits. Ooh. I don't know why these guys are like literally stopped in the middle of the street. Like, come on now. What y'all doing? but it said I had a SD card error, whatever that means. Somebody said this car sounds like crazy loud, but I don't know. Inside the car, I mean, it's loud, but like it's definitely not crazy loud. Up there, I'm like 99% sure. Or was I bugging? Might have been bugging. I saw something that looked just like a cop up there, I swear to God. That guy hit the U-turn. I can't believe it. That dude just cut all those lanes. That shit crazy. God damn. This shit needs boost. Woo! It feels great though, but this shit needs boost. Oh my God, my oil temp is at 255. Let this bitch cool down. Damn, how many pulls was that? 3? Something like that, 3 pulls. Yeah, we ain't let this bitch cool down, for real. back at the casa, got done doing my errands. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Quick little fun vid, just doing some hard pulls in the S650. If you guys enjoyed, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and above all, stay safe out there, y'all. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.